This is what I'll do a lot of times too, right? For you guys. So right here, if you're like, I'm going to enter here, you can put right on here, go to drawings. Right here.
Oh,
See this? You can tell yourself like, hey, when I get down here, you better do it.
oh, I need
I've
those cues.
I
Thanks
have
for
a
showing me
ton of
that,
line
man.
like you.
Yep.
I do my lines. So I have those, but damn.
See that right there? Yeah, see, that's what I mean. So if it breaks and holds, but do you see, you can give yourself little cues, know when to do what.
Mm-hmm.
And if you don't, like Nana, if you're just paper trading now, you will still do this so that you would still know mentally like what you would have done.